A lot of people talk to me about silencing the monkey mind, and there are various ways and means that people try to silence the monkey mind and they fail. And I tell them a very simple thing that it's not possible to silence the monkey mind because the nature of the mind is to jump around. The nature of the mind is to move into the past or into the future and keep thinking. So, till the time the mind is there, it is going to jump around. The only way to get rid of the monkey mind is to make it disappear completely, to get into a state where there is no mind. And when there is no mind, then the real spirit comes up. And this spirit of ours, this soul of ours, the energy has tremendous potential to do a lot of things. It has the potential to create good health for us. It has the potential to create peace and joy for us. It has also the potential to manifest a lot of our desires. The only thing is, how do we get rid of the mind? Well, it's very simple. The concept is that our mind does not have any existence in the present moment. It can exist only in the past, it can exist only in the future, but in the present moment, it does not have an existence. So, if we can just deeply anchor ourselves into the present moment, that's what is required to completely get the mind to disappear. Now, how to do that? There's a very simple method. Just anchor deeply to your body, anchor deeply to any actions that you are doing, because the body is only present in the now. Any action that you're doing is also present only in the now. And therefore, if you anchor yourself to the body or to any action that you're doing, instantly that very moment the mind disappears. And then the beauty of the mind vanishing is that we get into a state where we are able to create instant changes, instant healing to our body and to other people as well. So I teach quantum healing, where we go down to a silent state of mind and we trigger a healing response either in our own body or in other people's body. And there are miraculous results which are seen practically in a few seconds. Those of you who want to understand how to get into the silent mind state, or the no mind state rather, and how to use it for healing, do connect with me on my website www.instanthealingtherapy.com. You can contact me on my number 98198 58269 on WhatsApp as well.